I don't have some trick on my sleeve I can show you, but I can guarantee you look at me and see that I'm the type of girl you're not really that used to. I'm only gonna give it to you honestly. I know this ride's taking some time, but I know I'll be okay. Even when I'm broken, feeling kinda hopeless, I've never been the one to run away. I could let this hold me, swallow and control me. It would be so easy just to break, but I'd rather do it the hard way. I'd rather do.
Many lies that I've told, and many secrets that I hold. Not ready to see the truth unfold. Didn't know that time could go so slow. If only I just listened to your warnings. You told me that my foolishness had consequences. Going to confession, desperate for redemption. I listen to God's word, but don't practice what I've heard. Friends tell me to stop stressing, that life is a blessing. You only live once, do what your heart wants. I keep replaying all the memories, looking for a way to cure this pain. I'm such
all that weight on your shoulders. Oh, oh, oh. It's the time of the year and the time of the night, exposing my biggest fears, knowing no one's in sight. My biggest secret, spilled to those who can't keep them. Too naive till it's too late for me to see it. How to use them against me when things get heated. So don't ask me to open up, I've seen enough. History's full of fools, it's doomed to repeat it. It's kinda out the lanes they go to, just trying to get even. Friends come and go, when it's cold they switching like seasons. So I went a separate road, got a reason I'm breathing. Therapeutic, writing lyrics, confronting my demons. Wasn't looking for your sympathy so you can keep it. All that weight on your shoulders, you gotta let it go. You gotta let it go. Oh, oh. I know I'm one of one, trusting the process. Wonder when my time will come. Meditating on my past, it's like I'm wandering through foreign lands. Short-sighted till I saw a plan. Switch the lens, picture bezels, decorating hands. Like, that's what I'm saying. Might be materialistic, I just want my dreams materialized. Life's a joke, yet I'm the one that's gotta improvise. At every turn, they throwing curves, it's real absurd. Ride or dies, turning highs and buys and passes by. Who can I trust when it's just me and my word? Do not disturb, driving forward, feelings kicked to the curb.